Hello, in this Dart programming video, I am going to show you optional named parameters. So if you are a bit unfamiliar with parameters, functions, or optional parameters, I recommend checking out those videos first. Once you've done that, a optional name parameter is one that you have to specify when you are passing the value in. So to actually do an optional name parameter, instead of enclosing the optional parameter or parameter, because it could be comma, for example. So if we was to have int num3 and we print num3 out here, so we print num3. I'm just going to delete it, so there's only two of them. And I mean, there's only one core, just so it's easy to see in here. We get 5, 7. The last value will not pass in. We get null. Simple stuff. If we replace these square brackets with curly braces now, let's have a look at how this runs. We get errors. It says too many positional arguments, one allowed but two failed. So the problem is these parameters. This is trying to pass it into here, but not as the optional parameters. You have to actually specify it. So what you have to do is here put num2 colon, then the value. It could be a variable, it could be a literal value like this. And if I was to run this now, we get 5, 7, and null. Again, if you do not pass in the value because it is optional, it will default to null, but you have to specify this. If you want to pass in for something for number 3, you do comma num3 colon, let's say 8, and we run it, we get 5, 7, and 8. But the great thing about this is if we switch these around, it won't assign 7 to num2 just because that is the second one and this is the second value being passed in. You'll assign it to the named parameter, which is num3. And so if we run it, we'll get 5, 8, and 7. So that's optional named parameters if you want to force yourself or another developer on your team to have to specify the name of the parameter they are passing a value in for. Pretty simple stuff. However, if you have any questions, feel free to pop me a message. And as usual, I look forward to seeing you in the next video.